So I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, a successor to the Z Flip 4, and I'll be taking you through the process of unboxing and setting up this phone for the first time. Now this particular one is black. It has 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. Okay, so just turn over the box and then peel this, and then pull it out, and then there's another one on this upper side like that. Once you have those two to the side, you can now lift the top cover of the package. Okay, now there might be something stuck here. Ideally you want to lift the top cover of that package. So the first thing you'll see is your phone. Use this piece of paper to pick it up like that, and there is your phone. And then inside the box you'll also get this little box here. This one has a few things. You get the data cable. First you get data cable, which is type C to type C, as you can see. Then you also get the SIM ejector tool and some documentation. Okay, nothing else in the box. So there's no charging brick, only a cable, a SIM ejector tool, and documentation. So let's put everything to the side. And go ahead and remove this paper. So that is as fingerprint free as you'll see this phone. Okay, now here's the phone. There's a hinge. This is the display, and flip it like that and flip it back open like that. Okay, it does have that satisfying flip. So on the left hand side you have your SIM ejector SIM tray right there, and then at the top you have microphone, antenna bands, then you have the volume rockers on the right hand side, the power button, and of course you have a single type C port at the bottom, another 2 microphones, and a speaker. Okay, so that's it. So let's go ahead and switch this phone on for the first time. So the power button is on the side, just press and hold. Release, and you should see the Samsung logo. So that takes us to the welcome screen. Choose your language. So I'll just stick to English, but if you want a different language, you can choose a different language and then tap on start. Now it says there's no SIM card because I'll do that later. You can set it up without a SIM card and insert the SIM card later. So you have to agree to the end user license agreement, privacy policy, and then tap on agree. If you want to also allow sending diagnostic data to Samsung, you can choose, or you can just select agree to all to automatically agree to everything. I'll just choose that, and then tap on agree. And then it's going to give me the option for an easy setup with another device. Okay, now if I have another Samsung phone, I can just put it close by and then set it up from a Galaxy or another Android device. If I want to set up by transferring my data from an iPhone, I'll just put my iPhone close by and choose this second option. But then I want us to set this up manually. So I'll tap on set up manually, and then I'll choose a Wi-Fi network. So let me connect to my Wi-Fi. Once that is connected, it will now take me to the next step. Now it might require me to restart the phone so that it's able to give me the setup process according to my location. Okay, so I'll oblige and tap on restart. So once it restarts, it's going to give me options to connect to a mobile network. Choose an option below or insert SIM card. I'll choose setup later in settings. It says it's getting my phone ready, so I'll just wait. Again, it's going to prompt me to copy apps and data. I'll just select on copy because I want to set this up as a brand new phone without transferring any data. So here I'll be prompted to sign in to my Google account. You can do that right now, or you can skip that. To make this video short, I'll just skip that for now and confirm I want to skip. But of course, if you want to, you can sign in with your Google account. And then tap on more and accept. Set up a fingerprint, face recognition, PIN, password, or pattern. You can set those up to protect your phone, or you can skip and do that later, which is exactly what I'll do. If you want to sign in with your Samsung account, you can go ahead and sign in, or if you're like me, you can skip that for now. And then tap on, you should see the Samsung services. You have to read and agree. Choose if you want light mode or dark mode. I'll choose light mode to start with and tap on next. And then there's going to be a few tips about taking care of your phone. Pressing the screen or the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object, such as a pen or fingernail, may cause damage. Okay, when you fold the phone, make sure there's nothing inside, such as a card, keys, or coins. So those are just basic measures to take care of your phone. It's a flip phone, so it's a bit more delicate than any other phone. So tap on next, of course, after reading all those, and it says I'm all set up. Tap on finish. And there you go. So there is my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 setup. Okay. Now the setup is not complete because we still need a Google account. We still need to customize a few things, make a few changes just to customize this phone to suit our exact needs. Now I'll be making subsequent videos on how to do different things on this phone, and I'll be making plenty of videos. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned and keep checking to learn new tips and tricks of using your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.